Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am going to walk you through the process of Madhubani artwork. I have named this one Fish and Lotus a Madhubani harmony. But if there is any original or traditional name for this design, please let me know in the comments. So, as with all the traditional Madhubani artworks, I began with the borders. The type of borders I am doing here is called geometric border. Basically, I'll be using simple geometric shapes like straight lines and triangles. Guys, in Madhubani art, borders are really important. It kind of defines the stage for the story you are about to unfold with your designs. To give the border more filler look, I am adding small horizontal lines in between the triangle. It's gonna add a little bit more extra texture to the border. Now for the main elements, we have lotus and fish, both rich in symbolism. The lotus stands for purity, growth and spiritual awakening, while the fish represents life, movement and abundance. Now here is the most fun part of the Madhubani, which is filling the designs with Madhubani patterns. For lotus I am adding striped pattern, simple parallel lines following the direction of each petal. This is going to help differentiate each petal clearly and create that illusion of volume and depth, even though everything is just simple black and white. Next up is the fish. I'm going to work in sections here to guide the flow. Near the neck area I am adding necklace style design, just trying to deck it up like festive feel. Next I'm filling the body with scale pattern with U shapes, and for the fins and tail I am using long following lines to give the fish sense of motion. And finally, I am adding wavy lines around the fish to make it look like it's actually in the water. Make sure the water lines are light so that they don't overpower the main elements. And that's the full process, guys. Hope you all enjoyed watching this come together. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more art content. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay creative and keep making art. Bye bye.